Welcome again, dear English learner, your favorite English channel.
Hey everyone, welcome back to English Talk AI.
Hi friends, how are you all today? Feeling happy, motivated, or a little sleepy?
Maybe a little sleepy. That's okay. We'll wake you up with some English motivation today.
Yes, today we're talking about how to stay motivated while learning English.
Oh yes, the big question. Sometimes learning English feels so hard.
Totally. Some days I feel like, no more grammar, please.
Me too. But don't worry, friends, we've all been there.
That's right. Feeling tired or lazy is normal. Everyone feels that sometimes.
But here's the secret. Don't give up. Just keep going, step by step.
Yes, learning English is like growing a little plant.
A plant? I like that.
Smiles. You water it every day, give it sunlight, and talk to it like, come on, grow my little English plant.
Wow, I never talked to my English like that. Maybe I should.
Try it. You'll be fluent in no time.
But seriously, your English grows slowly. Every day, you just have to keep going.
Exactly. Okay, let's share some fun tips to stay motivated.
Great. Tip number 1, set small goals.
Don't say, I want to be fluent in 1 month. That's too crazy.
Yeah, even I can't do that. Instead, say, today, I'll learn 5 new words.
Simple goals are powerful. And when you finish, you feel happy, like, yes, I did it.
Tip number 2, listen to English every day.
Oh, yes, even for 10 minutes. Listen to podcasts, YouTube videos, or songs.
But careful, if you listen to sad songs, you'll cry instead of learning. True. Choose happy ones. Make English your friend.
Tip number 3, speak without fear.
Oh, I love this one. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Everyone makes them, even native speakers.
Exactly. I once said, I am boring instead of I am bored.
Oh no, that's so funny. But see, mistakes help us learn.
So speak freely and laugh when you make a mistake. That's the best way.
Tip number 4, celebrate your progress.
Yes. When you understand a new word or finish a lesson, say, wow, I'm amazing.
Or dance a little. Why not? English dance party.
That's right. Learning English should be fun, not stress.
Tip number 5, think positive.
Instead of saying, my English is bad, say, my English is getting better every day.
Exactly. Positive energy makes your brain happy, and a happy brain learns faster.
Smile. So keep your brain smiling.
And one more thing, remember why you started.
Yes, maybe you want to travel, get a better job, or meet new people.
Or maybe you want to impress your crush.
Oh yes, English love stories. Whatever your reason, keep it close to your heart.
Because learning English is not just about words.
It's about connection.
It's about confidence.
And it's about opening new doors in life.
So, friends, take a deep breath
Smile.
and say, I can do it. I am learning English.
Yes, you are doing great. Step by step, you're getting closer.
Thank you so much for joining us today.
We hope you had fun and feel inspired.
Keep practicing
Keep believing.
and never stop learning.
Earth, globe, comments, and stars.
Okay, now go talk to your English plant.
See you next time, friends.
Bye-bye.
If you really learn English, please like, share, and subscribe.